pre-record our prize distribution ceremony this year, as we have bagged many, many medals, and it would take an entire evening. But rest assured, we still have many awards. So please, a round of applause to each and every student who have bagged in all their fields of excellence. Now we shall go for what all the parents have been waiting for. We shall be going on with the highest attendance award, the best behavior, and also the excellence in academics. Let me also remind you that each point that the children have won in their competitions and also their projects have been accumulated, and we shall be awarding the best house, the winning house of 2014-15. So let us start off with the highest attendance award, and for that I request Bhavisha ma'am and Principal ma'am to kindly come up on stage. So we shall start off grade-wise, ma'am, with your permission, with highest attendance, because I'm sure all the parents have done a lot of hard work in making sure they wake up every morning and come to school. So the award also goes to you. Let us start off with grade 1. And the highest attendance in grade 1, we'd like to call upon stage Gauri Patel. Gauri. Congratulations. Come and stand here. Grade 2, Dhyay Amin, Priyanshi Prajapati, Radhika Dad, Pant Patel, and Varan Mamgain. Let your claps not stop. Highest attendance for grade 3, Charmi Patel, Hardavi Yagnik, Hetvi Punjabi, Mishri Shah, Princey Choksi. The highest attendance for grade 4, Ashwini Sankadal, Harshil Patel, Het Shah, Janam Patel, Tejas Patel, Rahul Mistry. Grade 5, the highest attendance, the list just keeps on going on. Asta Patel, Arya Patel, Aryan Patel, Dhairya Patel, Heer Patel, Pranshi Talati, and Prapti Amin. Grade 6, the highest attendance goes to Shreya Amin and Yashvi Desai. And for grade 7, we have Tejas Hanmante and Prem Patel. A loud round of applause for all our highest attendance. We request Principal ma'am and Bhavisha ma'am kindly award them their medals. Kalpesh sir, if you could kindly do the honors as well. Well done to each and every one of you. Let's continue with their claps and give them their encouragement. And also to the parents who made them come to school on time. So well done to each and every one of you as well. Kids, I want you to wave your awards up in the air. Be proud of your awards. Put them all up in the air. Be proud of your awards. Well done. Congratulations to each and every one of you. Up in the air. So well done and congratulations. Now let's get on with the Best Behavior Award. We had been awarding stars throughout the year. for their handwriting, for their homework, their books, their neatness in uniforms. All these would be accounted for the results of the best behavior. So, put your hands together as they come on stage for the best behavior of Grade 1, Yagnadeep Vaghela. Grade 2, Gayatri Dalwadi. Grade 3, Khushi Patel. Grade 4, Devanshi Shah. Grade 5, Heer Patel. Grade 6, Yashvi Desai. And Grade 7, Komal Vyas. I request Principal Ma'am, Bhavisha Ma'am, and please Kalpesh sir. We have a boy here amongst all these lovely ladies. So well done and congratulations to each and every one of you. A very loud clap for our little boy. Many more boys on the stage. Well done to all the girls as well. They are so well behaved. Even on stage they were behaved. Why don't you all wave your medals up in the air? Well done. Congratulations.
Hip hip.
Hooray.
Louder. Hip hip.
Hooray. Well done. Congratulations. Excellence in academics. I think, ma'am, the parents will be having the highest awards for them because they've also put in a lot of effort. So well done to each and every parent throughout the year who have guided and mentored your child in all their academics. But the excellence in academics for grade 1 goes to Kavish Shah with 98%. That was grade 1, I apologize. Grade 2 is Manan Patel with 96. Grade 3, Anvi Talati with 98%. Loud claps for them. Grade 4, Ayushi Shah, 98%. The claps should go louder. Grade 5, Ishika Mahajan, 96%. Grade 6, Om Shah, 93%. And grade 7, Karan Punjabi with 94%. So well done and congratulations. Your claps not stop for them. And congratulations to the parents as well. I think we have an equal number of boys and girls this time, so it's good. Well done to each and every one of you. Keep it up. This is just an award. It's a ladder to go forward. Maintain this, okay? So hip hip. Before they leave the stage, I'd like Principal Ma'am to give us a big word. She'd like to share something.
Thank you, Beena ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, this award is equally shared by all the parents, be it the mother, be it the father, and of course, not forgetting the teachers and the input from the students. I would like to take a minute to tell all of you, and especially to Om, that we are going to miss Om. He's going to the United States. So Om, we are going to miss you very, very much. Wherever you are, whatever you do, may God be with you, and all our blessings are with you. You were a wonderful child like all the others, and God bless. May you soar great heights. A big hand for all of them, and Om, we surely will miss you. And I'm sure you'll miss us. You have to say something, you must.
Thank you, ma'am. I will miss you.
You'll miss me only?
No.
Everybody?
Yeah.
Sure. God bless. Thank you, children. Bow down.
Thank you.
Thank you. Congratulations. Over to you, Beena.
Okay, now as I said, we accumulated all the points, house points. And all the points have bagged a winner this year for the house, the best house of 2014 and 15. So I request the entire house, which has come first this year. Are we all ready? Can I announce the house? As we all know, we have Apollo House, Mercury House, Poseidon House, and Zeus House. Apollo House won bagged the award for the sports trophy this year of 2014 and 15. So please clap for Apollo House for the winners of the Health is Wealth Day trophy. And the winners for 2014-15, Kalpesa, could you kindly do the honors?
Any guesses? Zeus. Madam, wires.
Clap for Zeus House as they come on stage, as they are the winners of 2014-15. Request the representative house teacher Zarna ma'am and Manisha ma'am to please come on stage. Congratulations to the house captains. Can we have the house captains on? Om Shah and Heer Patel. So congratulations to Arsh Patel, Freya Choksi, Hani Lalwani, Mayank, Nish and Soumya from grade 1. Grade 2, Atharva, Daksh, Manan, Pant, Pal, Radhika, Raj, Riya and Shikhar. Grade 3, Charmi, Hardavi, Mitwa, Prushti, Vruddhi and Hiteshi. Grade 4, Ayushi, Danisha, Priya, Rahul, Vidhi and Maharshi. Grade 5, Aryan Patel, Aryan Yadav, Heer, Prapti and Shruti. Grade 6, Om and Shreya. And for grade 7, Karan. So please, loud round of applause for Zeus House. And well done to the house captains, Om Shah and Heer Patel. Well done. Well done to Zeus House. You can take it with you, but not to America. Well done. Congratulations. Thank you, Principal Ma'am. Thank you, Bhavisha Ma'am.
EuroKids, India's #1 preschool chain. Euroschool, the school for a bright future.